Hi, welcome to Java interview coding questions. Today we'll try to write a Java program to find duplicate characters in the given string. Means if we get any kind of input like welcome to Java, here we need to identify what kind of characters are duplicate. For example, here in this particular string, E is a duplicate one, O is the duplicate one, and A is the duplicate one, right? It is because they are occurring or they are appearing for more than one time in the string, right? For this particular requirement, we need to write the Java program, right? So before moving for writing the program, let me try to convert the given string into a character array first. Character array. So data equal to str dot to char array, so that it will be converted into character array. Then first I will take first character. So int I equal to 0, I less than data dot length I plus plus, right? Which what is the purpose of writing here this for loop? Used for to iterate over the array, right? Similarly, I am trying to take one more inner loop inside the for loop, which used for to compare the current character with any kind of duplicate characters are there or not, right? So for int j equal to I plus 1, from the next character onwards I am trying to start j less than data dot length j plus plus, right? If data of I double equal to data of j, can I say that it is a duplicate or not? Yes. This out of I can print the respective data of I, and then I will simply exit from that loop, right? This is a simple program which will for 25 duplicate characters. Let me try to execute this one, right? You got as EOA, right? So instead of having println, let me go with print, right? EO space here, right? So here you got the space also duplicate, right? So this space occurred for more than one time. I don't want to go with the spaces. So what I can do now, I can go with the modification if you want, right? And data of I not equal to space. Okay, let me try to run it. Yes, hope you understood clearly. Thank you.